Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Techie Tech. Today I am going to show you how to install C and C++ on Windows operating system to run C and C++ programs. If you want to code in C and C++, so you need to stick around with this video so that you will be able to install GW compiler. This will convert our human readable code into machine code. Then how to start coding in C or C++ languages. So watch the video till end and I guarantee you that you will be learning a lot of new things. If you face any issues in middle, you can always comment in our comment section. I will try my best to help you. Before moving further, if you are new here, so please subscribe to our channel. It will help you to get our latest videos. And I really need your support guys, because it motivates me to make useful videos for you. So let's get back to our installation process. To install C and C++, we need some things to fulfill this task. So first of all, we need Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code help us to write code well and run it. And the second one is extensions. Extensions will help us to write code faster, like C or C++ extensions are there for us, and the runner is also there to run our program without any line of code. So and the third one is msys2. msys2, what it will do, it will help to install the gcc compiler to convert the human readable code into machine code and generates a exe file for us. So first of all, just open your browser and search for msys vs code, msys vs code, and click on enter button, or you may hit on enter button. Yeah, and it will show you some results. Just click on the first link, starts with the code.visualstudio.com. Yeah, just click on this click on this link and it will redirect to a new page like this. And here what should we do now? There are some process. Install Visual Studio Code. First we need to install Visual Studio Code by just clicking on this link. So just click on this link now. Just open it on new tab. On this tab you will get many options for Windows, Mac or Linux. So I'm using Windows, so I will be going for user installation system for x64. Yeah, just click on it and it will start the download bar for you. Just click on start downloading. In your case you may get it differ, you just need to download it. Yeah, it has been downloaded and just click open. You will get the setup window, so just I accept the agreement and just click on next. Tick all the options, create a desktop icon or add open a context, add open with code accent to window explorer 5 context menu. Yeah, yeah, these are the two options. Like I'm going to show you. Suppose here is my folder and I'm going to open these two folders direct in ms visual studio code. So just I need to right click and open with code. You will get the both these folders directly open to your vs code. So just click on just tick all the options and just click on next. In your case you may just leave it, but it depends upon you whether want this feature or not. Just click on next and click on install. It got installed successfully. So just move to our window. So we have completed this task. Again install C or C++ extensions for VS Code. You can install the C or C++ extensions by searching them on the search bar. Just open your Visual Studio Code. Just click on the finish button and just launch your Visual Studio Code. If you have completed earlier it, so you may just search it on the search bar. Just type Visual Studio Code. You may open it here also. So but I'm going to open it here. So it will open the Visual Studio Code windows for you and you may get the many options like here. So you just need to go to extends. Yeah, extensions, these are the extensions here. And what extensions you should download? You just need to search C and C++. Yeah, these are the important extensions for you. I have already installed it, so you just need to click on install. Yeah, just like the install. So you will get the install button here. After installing, you just need to install one more extensions, like this is the runner. You may search it for runner or code run. Just click on it and also download the code runner. It will help you to run the code by just clicking on the run button. Yeah, you will get the play button like here. Yeah, this is the run button, run code. You may directly run your code or execute your code by just clicking on the run button. So it will help you a lot. So we have installed our important extensions here. So what is the next step? Yeah, installing the mingw w64 tool. So just download the msys2, open it in new tab also. Yeah, you will get the msys2 page, and just go to the here and download the exe file. Yeah, just click on it. It will allow you to download setup file. It will be download in few seconds. I have downloaded it and open it. Here are the some process to install it. So just click on next. This is the directory where it is going to installed. So you may change it according to your choice, but in my case I'm not going to change anything else. So guys, I'm just keep it as it is. So just click on next. Yeah, click on again next. It is getting installed. It will take few minutes. Yeah, it has been installed. When done, click on finish. Okay, click on finish. Now msys2 is ready for your terminal for the Australian environment will launch. Okay. After the installation process, you will get the options, but I'm not getting the options due to my some textual issues on the Windows. So, but in your case, you may get the Windows like this. Yeah, like run msys2 now. So it should be the same as it is. So but I'm not getting the same, but it is due to some problems. So but I have also take it and just click on finish. It will launch a screen or terminal for you. So just what we do now, and just copy the command here. Note command here. Just we have opened it. Okay, so just back to our installation process. This is the process that we need to follow. We have installed it. Open the wizard, yeah, completely, and in the terminal install the minimal tool by running the following command. Okay, just copy the following command and just paste it in the terminal. Just you have pasted it on terminal, and if you are not getting this terminal, so you may just open the terminal by just searching on search bar msys2. This is the app. It will launch a terminal for you. Just paste the copied command here. Just click hit on enter button. Again press enter button, and it will ask you for type y. Yeah, y for yes. And it will start downloading some required files and the necessary files. So just wait for few minutes, and for now I'm just forwarding the video, because if I keep it, so it will take a long. So just I'm skipping this part. It has been installed all the necessary files, as you see. In my case I'm getting the 53 out of 53 files, and in your case it may be differ, so don't worry at all. So just again move to our Windows to follow the further process. So now what should we do now? And we need to enter we need to add the path for our mingw bin folder, okay, to the system environment variable by using the following. Okay, this is the process. So you just need to search environment variables, and you will get the option this edit the system environment variable. Just click on it, and even it will open a window for you, and just click on environment variables. Yeah, and again it will open a windows for you, and on the user variables for your username will be highlighted here. So just click on the path and just click on edit button, and it will again pop up a new window, and just you need to click on new button. Yeah, here. Before doing this, we just need to find the path where we installed msys. This is the msys in my C drive. You may also find it. This is the drive C, and this is the msys64. And what we do now, just select the msys64 ucrtb. So just select this folder, yeah, open this and open bin folder and copy the path, copy this path. This is the complete path. After copying it, and we need to add it, click on new and just paste the copied path here and just click enter. Click on ok, again ok, again ok. Here 3 times you need to click on ok and just close the window. Again back to our window. What is saying that? It is saying that yeah, we have completed all the task successfully. So just check your MinGW installation, whether we have installed our GCC or not. So just check it by just typing GCC space double hyphen and again version. This is not okay. I think I'm getting any error. Yeah, so just close it and open again MSys and type here GCC space version best GCC command not found. It means there are some errors. So what should we do now? We should check our system environment path again. This is the path edit. Yeah, this is the path we have added it successfully. But why we are not getting? Also, we are not getting the same. I think there is an error inside it. Just check it on CMD. GCC space double hyphen version. Here you may see GCC GCC revision 3 built by MSys project 14.1.0. We have installed it successfully. And also we can search for G++ double hyphen version. We also get the G++ version here. And now the last one is GDB double hyphen version. So we are getting the same, yeah, here. So I think there is some issue between the MCs. So you may also check it on command prompt. It will not impact anything on your system. So just you may also search it on command prompt. So don't worry at all. So just we have completed all the tasks. So now we are going to our Visual Studio Code. Yeah, just again open it, VISUL Visual Studio Code, and just create your first program. So in my case, I'm going to create a new folder with the program C. I have created a C folder and just open it and just select folder. Yeah, I have selected C folder and I'm going to create a new file, hello.c. Yeah, in here .c is the extension of C programs. So whether you will write any program which is related to C language, so you just need to enter the extensions after the file name. So just enter the extension and this will open a window for you to write your code. So has include our header file, and header file is stdio.h, and our main function int main, then our angular brackets and curly braces, and here we will return 0 because our function is returning nothing. And here we will use our printf statement. Inside the printf statement we will use double quotation marks to put our string hello world, and just close the statement by just using semicolon. And here is the button and just click on the debug. It will ask you to choose a compiler. It has detected a compiler that we have added a path for the our compiler. So just click on it and it will start compiling the program. So as you can see, it has generated a exe file. It means it has completed our compiling. And in the terminal part you may find out the output hello world. You may also change it by just hello users. Again compile it, debug it, and again it will show the hello users. You may see we have successfully run our first hello world program in our C with the help of Visual Studio Code on the Windows environment. Till now, if anyone is facing any issue, so can comment, and I will try my best to resolve your problem as soon as possible. I hope you have installed your C and C++ setup on your Windows successfully. So guys, if you like the video, so just subscribe our channel, and also like the video if you really like it, and also share it to your friends who are not able to install the setup for C and C++ for Windows. So thank you guys. We will meet you on the next videos. Till then, goodbye.